interface is not complex, but it does contain a lot of features. We can opt to see just a specific language or a set of languages in both panels. First, in the tree view, and then in the properties panel. We can opt to search for a string at the beginning, at the end of any or anywhere inside that term. As you can observe, elements of the presentation in the property panel are also clickable. This function makes use of the linked open data attribute of the vocabularies included in the catalog. For the search function, multiple other functions are presented for advanced users as well. For a more visual access to the content, we can access the so-called graph view of a dataset. Here we can observe the relations between different entities and properties, navigate and capture graphical representation of the view to support analysis of the data architecture. Also, for advanced users, the system provides an interface to a programmatic interface where SPARQL scripts can be used to retrieve any information from the vocabulary in a customized way. The results of this type of queries can be saved in different formats for other users. Last but not least, the dataset view provides access to the metadata of our vocabulary, where we can see different aspects that describe the dataset. First, we have several fields describing the vocabulary. Second, we can see the different files associated with the vocabulary in the distributions area. And third, we have the statistics describing the vocabulary. Such statistics can either be viewed in tabular mode or graphically.